What's up guys, welcome back to DeFi Chronicles. In this video we're going to be talking about my top 3 testnet projects that everybody should be farming. So for number 1 I have Zeta Chain, and this is a cross-chain blockchain, and what I really like about it is that it is a blockchain. So whenever we have a blockchain we might receive a bigger airdrops than some dexes, than some other smaller projects. So here what I really like about it is some of the stats. If we come here, we have 13 million transactions. We have already over 21,000 dApps, and we're still on testnet. And there's also 1.7 million testnet users, and they even have a grant project, which is like $5 million, I think, for anybody that wants to create a project on Zeta Chain. Once we come here, let's go ahead and open the testnet. And here's what I really like about it. So we can go to leaderboard and it will actually show us the amount of points that we have, which probably those points will be what we're going to be receiving in airdrop, or at least they will be calculating what are the transactions that we have been taking, for how long we have been using the project, and we might receive an airdrop for that. So we have here, currently I have 213,000. I am ranking in the 24K. Here you can see the top accounts. You can also invite some people. I have taken 17 transactions and I started back in March. So here, if we go to swap, you can see it should show that, earn ZP in 7 days. So every 7 days I can swap here and I'm gonna be getting 7,000 points. So even though I can do a swap here, the only thing is that I'm not going to be earning some points. So every 7 days I come here and I make sure that I take a cross-chain swap, and then I earn 7,000 points. It is, since it is running on testnet, you can actually use Gorally, you can use BSC or Polygon to send your funds. So you're basically, for example, sending some GETH to Polygon Mumbai, and you're going to be receiving thematic. Once you have it here, you can actually do the same and send your thematic back to Gorally. And that's it. So that is actually the way for you to get involved with it. If we come here to earn Zeta Points, let me go ahead and remove that. I go to the facts section and let's see, how do I earn Zeta Points? So you can earn 5,000. So I'm going to be adding a link in the description so you can join, and you're going to be getting 5,000 points whenever you join. Then after that, every week you can take a transaction and you're going to be getting 7,000 points. And for your, if you have someone that you invite and that person take a transaction, then you're going to be getting 1.7k in points. Also, you can check some bugs, and if you let them know that there is a bug, then you're going to be receiving 10k points. So that is actually number 1. That is a project that I'm super bullish on it. Number 2 on my list is Venom. Probably some of you already heard about it. Let me go ahead and refresh that. And what I actually like about Venom is that they have, I think it is like $1 billion, guys, $1 billion allocated to Venom. So this is a pretty huge project. Let me go ahead and refresh that. Let me go ahead and type Venom again, Venom Network. And the tasks here are pretty simple. Let me go ahead and try to do that again. Venom Network. Let's see. Venom Network. There you go. So if we go to task, we can take a look at some of the tasks. It is plenty. There is a lot of tasks that we can take on Venom. Really a crazy amount of tasks. So for example here, and it is also running on testnet. So we have Venom Bridge, Snippet, Numi, we have Gravix, Venom Pools. So there is a lot of things that we can do here. These also, you can do it if you haven't done it before. We have Venom Pad, we have Oasis Gallery, Venom Stakes. So there is a lot of things to do here. But what I really like is the amount of money that they have back in the project. Again, $1 billion, and they are still on testnet. So this one is super interesting for me. And number 3, even though it is a smaller project, but what I really like about it is that it is backed by Binance and also running on testnet. This is a NFT marketplace that you can get involved with it, and they already confirmed that there will be a reward for early adopters of the project. So I'm gonna add a link in the description for each one of these projects so you can start farming them. And hopefully in the future, let's see if we can receive a pretty good airdrop for each one of them. If you have any questions, any doubts, please drop it in the comment section. And if this content was valuable enough, please share it to a friend, subscribe, like. Talk to you later. Happy farming.